Hi, are you fed up with the word destruction? What does it mean to say destruction? Destruction means to destroy or when something gets destructed. Okay, when something completely gets perished, we use the word destruction. Destruction as a word is a noun form. Okay, uh, there is a verb form for destruction, that is destruct. Okay, we know that. Then in this video we're going to talk about the noun forms of the word which can be replaced with the word destruction. The first word is there which we can use is annihilation. Okay, annihilation, sorry, we can call it annihilation. Okay, the spellings for annihilation are like ANNIHILATION, annihilation. Second word for destruction is havoc. Okay, havoc, HAVOC, havoc. And third word for the annihilation is mayhem. Okay, mayhem, MAYHEM, mayhem is the third word for the destruction. We can use a very nice word which comes in my mind right at the moment is demolition. Okay, DEMOLITION, demolition. Okay, then we can use some other words also like extinction, we can use holocaust, we can use. Okay, holocaust would be spelled as HOLOCAUST, holocaust. Okay, CAUST, holocaust. Okay, then we can use some other words like shattering or ending of something, or one nice word that comes right at the moment is ruination. From ruin it became ruination, RUINATION, ruination. So all such words can be used in place of destruction. So keep changing the words so that your speaking looks amazing as well as interesting. Moreover, it adds to the flavor of your speaking too. So keep watching English Lovers by Hannity for nice words like these. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates of the new videos, and share my videos with your friends and allies. Would be really grateful for the same. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.